Hello, Sudhir.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, you can hear me?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Hi, Sudhir. How are you?
I am fine, madam. And how about you?
I'm fine. Okay.
Uh,
Today is your 23rd session.
Sorry?
Today is your 23rd session.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Hello. Yeah, I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
show you one. This particular. You have seen today's topic, big city or small town.
Yes, yes, I saw.
So, which is your favorite big city or favorite small town? You're comfortable with the topic?
Yeah, I am comfortable with topic and but I did not read all the topics. I only read only one first page. Small uh, city, sorry, big city and small town.
Okay, big city or small town. It's okay. That way you're comfortable with the topic. So, I'll ask you some
Yeah,
questions on it.
yeah, yeah. You can.
Okay. So, which is your favorite big city?
Actually, my favorite is a small town because in the small town we have fresh air and more silent as comparison to big city, because in the big city there is lots of noise, lots of pollution in a city. In a comparison to in a village, there is no pollution all over the silent, and we have to chance to go walk in a walking on a evening. So I
Okay.
like small town.
So we have a chance to walk on the road and all that.
Yeah, yeah, in the evening, because there good climate in the evening. Yeah.
Okay, there is a pleasant climate.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so which is the small town you're living in?
I'm living now. Currently, I'm living in Jalgaon, Maharashtra, but my native place is near about Kajgaon, maybe.
Okay, so you like your native place or you like Jalgaon?
I like both, but I like the most my place because
Native place.
yeah, it's my native place and it's a village, small village.
So presently you are in Jalgaon at present.
Yeah, I'm in Jalgaon. It's not
So you're
actually.
taking the class on your terrace.
Yes.
So you're that's nice. So you got an independent bungalow.
No, no. It's a. I actually I'm living in on a rent. So
Okay, okay. So you
I'm
came to
sitting
the
under the open
terrace.
fan. Yeah, I was sitting under the open fan.
So that's like you're enjoying the cool breeze.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Ma'am,
are you
where are you
working
from?
or are you having? Yeah,
Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay.
So are you working? Or are you a business person?
No, ma'am. I'm working in a private sector. I'm not a businessman.
Why I felt you're a businessman? Because you came for the class in the evening. Means you came in the
Yeah.
between 4 to 5 working hours.
I I had a business. Yes, I had a business and I lost it.
Okay,
I
okay,
lost most of the money in it. So after that, I didn't think about it. And nowadays, I'm doing a private job.
okay,
Job
okay.
is job is better because in each every month we have a money. Okay,
You have stability,
business.
you know, the money, yeah,
Yeah,
stability,
yeah. Business is also good, but there is a
risk.
need of risk, high risk. And I'm living here on rent basis, and I'm a family person. So all the family I'm only one person who earns money for family. Who
Okay.
That's why I'm only prepared to job instead of business.
Hmm. So basically, you are in Jalgaon only from many, many years.
Yes, I think 12 years.
12
12 or
years.
12.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So now let's go to the next question. What are the advantages and disadvantages of a small town?
small town. As I told you, in a small town there is no sound pollution as a comparison to city. And advantages is all the family members are all together with us. Okay,
Okay.
and if we have any problem, so in that situation we get a help from our relatives, friends, family, because we are living in a small area. So I think these three most advantages in a small town. And there are disadvantages like that. If I want to job, but it is not possible in a small city, get a job in a easily. Okay, as compared to big city. In a big city we get job easily, but as comparison to small city we don't have chance to get a job easily. And most of the things we if I want to buy something, grocery like that, most of the time we need to go in a big city and purchase it from them big town. So that's a disadvantage. we need to go
Okay.
outside for purchasing and getting things.
In a small town, you have to go for a long way to buy things, right?
Yes, yes.
Because
Maybe
everything
it's
is not nearby.
educational purpose. We want to go outside our for purchasing. That
For purchasing, we have to go a long way. For
yes,
education, we have to go a long way. Even
yes, yes,
maybe for medical facilities, yes, yes, you're right.
yes. Maybe, yeah.
Okay, now we'll go to the next question. That okay, suppose your friend is moving to a new country.
Mm-hmm.
What advice would you give? Nee, imagine a friend is moving to a new country. What advice would you give them from the two options? Would you tell them to go and settle in a small town or in a big city?
You are asking about to abroad,
Yes, abroad.
and next you give me two options: in a small city or
In a
big
small town or a big city?
big city. In abroad,
In abroad.
I will suggest him to go abroad, but live in a big city because it is not like our country. Maybe it's going to first time, and he will going first time, and he wants to make a career. So I suggest him to live in a big city because he wants to join a good job. So in his future, jobs available only big city. So I prefer to him only big city.
Okay, so you will advise him to go to big city.
Live
Okay.
in a big city.
What would you like to change in small towns? Would you like to change anything in small towns?
Okay, small town. In the future, our in a hello
In
hello
small towns, what would you like to change?
yes in a future
In the future, yeah. In the present,
yeah.
we are also talking about the present.
Okay,
Like
okay. Now I would like to changes related to medical only because most
in the
of the
present.
small towns does not have a medical facility. Most of the time, ladies face lots of problems. So I would like to change the medical facility because in the big city, medical facility and hospitality is are available easily. But in the comparison to small villages and towns, medical facility is not available easily. So I would like to change it. Okay,
Instead of change, you can use the word improve.
improve medical facility.
Okay, that's a good one. Okay. Then, which has better quality of life, small towns or big cities?
Lifetime.
Which better quality of life? Better quality of life means कहाँ life ज़्यादा better है?
Yeah,
Better
yeah, I
quality
understand that.
of life.
I think it's a depend on our preparation because most of the time if I have a job in a Jalgaon city, so I would like to stay here and I will enjoy my life here. And if suppose my parents are farmers, so they live in a village and they enjoy village life. Okay, and if I want to live as a farmer, so I will to need to leave a job and to go in a village and to live there as a farmer and then enjoy the life. So it would be difficult for me to leave a job and to go small town, my village, and live there as a farmer because it will be affect on my career. So it's depend on all each and every person. Okay, so I would like to both because now I am in a job, I am doing job. So I would like to stay. It is also good. Okay, a small town is also good for me.
Nee, but better quality of life means
Better
better
quality
life.
of life, small town.
Small towns, yes.
Yeah,
Because
there is
you have
no pollution. There is no pollution, sound pollution, and there is no means as we say sound pollution like that means bikes pollution. What words I forget actually. So air pollution, air pollution. So air pollution is the most important. So
there's too much of
let's
air pollution in big cities.
in big cities is high more than
Yes, yes,
village.
true. So that means you mean that small town have better quality of life.
Yes, yes, better quality.
But you know, in some small towns, there are some facilities not available at all. You know, like in
Yes,
Mumbai, you get everything at your doorstep. You just call, home delivery is there. For everything, there is a home delivery. For senior citizens, it's very easy. Whereas in small town, many places home delivery is not there at all.
yeah. I told you yes. It's a disadvantages in a small town. It's
So
a
you know, it's
disadvantage.
very difficult to say that the quality of life is better in small town. Because a lot of facilities are not there in small town.
Yes, yes, not a facility, but in future it will be improved. It will be improved
It
because
will improve,
government
but
working on it. Government
at
now working on
present,
it.
yeah, at present it's not there. My mother stays in Bangalore. It's a small town as compared to Mumbai. It's very small. So they don't even get milk. You know, nobody drops the milk at home. They have to
Oh
go to
wow!
the market to
Oh
buy
God!
milk.
Oh God!
Imagine.
It is very difficult to live there.
Because she's a senior citizen. She's 78 years old. How will she go to
Okay.
the market to buy the milk? It's difficult for her.
No, each and every time it is not possible. Okay, once in a month it would be okay, but each and every day it's not possible.
That's what she's facing a lot of problem now. She's saying
Oh,
that I'm not able to get the milk is a need. Every day they need it for tea,
yes,
coffee, and all that stuff. And
yeah.
nobody drops milk. No milkman comes and gives milk.
Oh God.
Strange. That's what she was telling me that I'm missing Mumbai. I said, I know the facilities are too good here.
Yes, yes, yes,
A lot of these issues are there in small town. No stress, everything, but all these problems.
yes, yes.
And even medical is very far off. Medical facilities. They're not nearby. You have to
Yes,
take a rickshaw and go like, whereas in our case, everything is within 1 kilometer radius.
yes, yes.
So people say हम लोग गांव में settle होंगे मगर गांव में कुछ है ही नहीं actually देखा जाए तो
Yes.
nothing is there. Even a doctor is also not there proper.
Yes.
Like my father had gone to Bangalore and he got a heart attack, and there was
Yes.
no doctor to treat him. Imagine.
Oh,
That's why he passed away.
yeah.
Just because उन लोग ने क्या बोला कि evening में आओ the senior doctor will come in the evening. By the time he came home, he got a second attack.
Oh,
So
sorry.
if he was somewhere, let's say he was in Mumbai, so they keep them under observation in ICU.
Yes, yes.
So
It
it's
would be
like
a
that.
chances to live.
Yeah, these are the disadvantages of the villages.
Oh, yes,
The
yes.
medical
That's
facilities are not good enough.
yes.
Some
It's
villages,
most,
especially my
most,
father's
most.
village is like that.
Okay.
Okay, and now some vocabulary has come that you can see at leisure because the time is over. Some vocabularies have come populous. Populous means populated place.
Okay.
Lot of vocabulary is coming up. You have any doubts? You can see that at leisure when you're alone.
Okay.
You must have got a session note. You can check the session note and you can go through the vocabulary. You can ask
Okay.
your doubts now because only 2 seconds are left. 2 minutes.
Okay. So I don't have any doubts, madam, because now I'm on Clapingo. I joined lots of sessions, so I don't have any doubts in my mind. Most of the time, instead of session notes, I go through general questions like that. Today, I was comfortable, so that's why I going with this session notes.
Yeah, but see, session notes you go through because there is three things in that. Pre-session, in the session, and post-session. You learn a lot in that.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
do go through it because vocabulary section is there. You will learn new vocabulary also. So it's very
Improve.
beneficial. Okay.
Okay.
And now we have only about 2 minutes left. So what I noticed about you is your fluency is very good. Your grammar is also you're an intermediate speaker. So
Okay.
overall your grammar is good. Okay. You need to just work on your vocabulary. So you can listen to English more during the
Yes.
non-clapping time. Audible, TED Talks, YouTube, all this you can watch in English. And I'm sure you'll do very well because even now you are speaking very well.
Yes. Yes.
So how
Okay.
did
I
you
will.
improve so much?
Because I talk with another platform. Nowadays, I make a voice call, a video call, and I speak with the different types of people. I record myself in front of the camera, my mobile camera, and I record
Okay.
it. I heard it, and I try to find out my mistake, and I correct it. So
Okay, great. So you're doing a lot to improve yourself.
yes, yes, yes.
And
I
I
want
can
to
see
be
the change.
speaker. I want to be a public speaker. Like
Okay,
I want
about
to speak like a native speaker. So I want to do lots of things.
very good. So only
Yeah.
10 seconds left. It was nice meeting you. And maybe
Okay,
we'll
ma'am.
meet once again any other time.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
because it will abruptly cut off. So before that, I'll just tell you bye.